Hello guys, today I have this Minky double retractable 30-meter clothesline. I'm going to show you how to install it and what this is for. Inside the box, we're going to get this double retractable clothesline. Okay, we're going to get this bracket. We're going to get two secure bolts right here. Okay, that we're going to just insert once this is mounted to the wall. And once this is ready, then we're going to be able to extend our clothesline so that we can hang some clothes from it. I'm going to go ahead and install it in the garage so that way we can go ahead and dry our clothes. So let's go ahead and get to the installation. We also get provided with the appropriate hardware. We're going to get our provided screws and we're going to go ahead and get this drill and we're going to go ahead and put it through. So once it's securely tight, now it's time to put our retractable clothesline. Installation of this retractable clothesline is very simple. You're going to go ahead and get the secure bolts. You're going to go ahead and put your retractable clothesline right here. And now this is actually secured. Okay, now it's time to actually put our two hooks so that way we can go ahead and extend our clothesline. Make sure this hook is securely tight, because the clothesline can actually hold up to 55 pounds. Now let's go ahead and put the other one. There you go, time to test it. We're done with our installation and I have a tip to give you. For these lines to become very secure and tight, you have to make sure that you at least loop twice on here, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and loop it and then pull, and then you're gonna pull in, okay? So that way this becomes tighter, okay? Make sure you guys do this. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.